Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by opening the Widgets or Displays area because that's where color presets live. This gives you immediate access to palettes and controls. Once there, click the Widgets icon or Control plus click the desktop to add a color widget. Doing so places a live swatch ready for edits. Make sure your Mac runs Big Sur or later, since earlier Mac OS versions don't support this widget framework, and verify you have permission to modify desktop items before proceeding. Now you customize. Tap the installed color widget and choose Edit so the controls appear. This is where you shape the color. Use sliders for hue, saturation, and brightness, and if precision matters, type a hex or RGB value directly. That ensures exact brand or design colors. Once done, save the configuration as a preset so you can reuse it quickly. Furthermore, enable iCloud Sync if you want the same palette on your other Apple devices. To finish, drag the widget into your desktop or notification center area and apply the swatch where needed. This immediately updates visuals in supported apps. If the color appears off, check your display color profile and disable night shift or true tone temporarily, because those shift hues. If the widget won't update or disappears, restart the dock or quit and reopen system preferences. That usually resolves state issues without losing presets.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.